Good morning, children. How are you all? Yes, I'm sure you all are fine. Okay, children, did you revise whatever I taught you last week? Okay, very good. Now, today, I'm going to teach you diary entry. So, let's begin. Whom do you share your feelings with? Whom do you share your feelings with? Yes, parents, friends, your dear friends. Yes, you share your feelings with your parents, your friends. Who else? Sometimes with your cousins also. Yes, so you share your feelings with all those who are very close to you, your near ones, your dear ones. Right? Okay, let's move on to the next. Feelings of happiness, sadness, opinions, failures, future endeavors, all that you are going to do in future, and achievements, etc. So all these things, feelings of happiness, sadness, your future endeavors, your opinions, even your failures also, you share with your parents, your mother, your father. That is all your near and dear ones. Don't you share? Yes, you do. If you are not able to share your emotions, what are emotions? Your feelings. It could be happiness, it could be sadness. All such feelings are called emotions. With your friends or family, you can give an outlet to your feelings through the medium of diary writing. So diary writing is nothing but an outlet to your feelings. It is an outlet. It provides an outlet for all your feelings. So that is what is diary writing. Next. Diary entry. Writing a diary entry means pouring your feelings into a diary. So, what you actually do when you write a diary, you pour in all your feelings. It could be any type of feelings. It could be that of happiness, of sadness, of excitement, anything. So, what do? You pour in your feelings. And do you know, you feel so free to do that. Why? Because nobody is going to read that. Only you and you alone are going to read it. It reflects a person's, the previous slide please. It reflects a person's thoughts about someone, an event or a place. So it could be your thought about someone. You could describe a person, you could describe an event, anything for that matter. Diary entry is made so that an event and the emotions aroused on that event can be remembered forever. You make an entry in your diary so that you can note down your feelings, whatever had happened or has happened on that particular day, on that particular event. So what do? You pen down your feeling, your inner feelings with passion. That is what you do when you write in your diary. Advantages of writing a diary. Now, what are the advantages of writing a diary? Let's have a look at it. Personal peace. It is purely personal, as I told you. No one is going to read your diary. Lightens, connects. It is a record. It connects. It acts as a connecting link between you and that particular event. And also it is a record. Once you write it, it remains with you forever. Till you destroy that, it will never be destroyed. So it becomes a record. Diary writing. Stress management and emotional stability. It helps you to get rid of your stress also. Now emotions, keep boiling inside you. When you pen down your feelings, you feel so relaxed and relieved. Growth of dreams and ideas. It also helps you it enables you to grow your ideas, your dreams. Sometimes even if you may even write down all that you want to do in future. Clarity in daily life conflicts. Yes, it reflects that also. Emergence of insight. So, basically, what is the purpose of writing a diary? How does it help you and why does it help you? No, what you do when you're writing a diary, whatever your feelings are of a particular event, particular incident, it could be a happy one, it could be a sad one, it could be of any type. But what you do, you pen down your feelings, whatever you felt at that particular moment, and afterwards when you read it again, you cherish in fact, That is why some people make it a habit to write diary every day. Let's read an extract from the diary of Anne Frank. Let's read it. The diary of a young girl. What's her name? Anne Frank. So here it is. Extract from the diary of young girl by Anne Frank. Wednesday, 5th April 1944. Wednesday, 5th April 1944. So what is written on top left hand side? Yes, the date. Then, see, you leave a line and then write, my dearest Kitty. For a long time now, I didn't know why I was bothering to do any school work. She is wondering why did she not bother to do the school work. Who? Anne Frank. The end of the war still seemed so far away, so unreal, like a fairy tale. So war is yet to end. It has not yet come to an end. And all this seems like a fairy tale to Anne Frank. If the war isn't over by September, I won't go back to school. She says she won't go back to school if the war is not over. Since I don't want to be 2 years behind. No, she does not want to be 2 years behind. So these are her feelings that she has expressed in her diary. Who? Anne Frank. I finally realized that I must do my schoolwork to keep from being ignorant. So she has realized that she must do her schoolwork. Otherwise, what will be her condition? She will be ignorant. She will not know anything at all to get on in life. So to get on in life, it is very important to do schoolwork and not to be ignorant. To become a journalist, because that's what I want. So what was her aim? To become a journalist, and for that reading, writing is very, very important. I know I can write. So somehow she has that inner feeling in her that she has the ability to write well. How to write a diary entry? How to write a diary entry? Yes, let's have a look at it. A diary entry is a personal piece. It is absolutely personal piece of writing. No one will read your diary. There are no set patterns or rules for writing a diary. There are no rules for writing a diary. It is your own diary. You express your feelings the way you wish to express. There are no set patterns, no set rules for writing a diary. But there are some basic features which should be included in a diary entry. All that you have to remember is there are certain basic features that you have to remember. That is all. In first person narrative, it has to be written in first person narrative. For example, I did this, I went there, because you are writing experience your own feelings. Conversational and informal language. Because it is a personal piece of writing, that is why the language that you use should be informal. Begins with the date in the top left hand corner. Yes, remember I told you on the top left hand side in the corner, what are you supposed to write? The date. You are supposed to write the date. Yes. Then suitable heading. After that, addressed as, you address your diary as Dear Diary. It is very dear to you, isn't it? You address your friend also like that. Dear Amit, Dear Narayan. So, it is your best friend. That is why you address it as Dear Diary. Expresses writer's state of mind. So, the moment when you are writing your diary, actually it expresses the condition of your mind at that time. So that is why it expresses the writer's state of mind. Written in past tense. Yes, it has to be written in past tense because you are writing about an event or incident or anything for that matter which has already happened. That means it is already over. That is the reason it has to be written in which tense? Yes, past tense. Some starting thoughts. Right now I am feeling. Suppose the moment when you are writing your diary, you have some sort of feeling. So, you can begin like this. Right now I am feeling excited. I am feeling very happy. I am overjoyed. Something like that. Depends on your state of mind, your feelings. Then next. Today I am grateful for. Suppose you want to express your thanks that particular day. You can write a statement like this. Today I am grateful for something, whatever has happened to you. You want to express your thanks. So you can express it this way. I have faith that. If you have faith in somebody, in something, you can write like this. One way to improve my life would be to. If you are thinking about bringing some changes in your life, this is how you can write. 3 things I know to be true are. You know something is true, that are 3 things. You can write like this. My life is lacking. If something is lacking in your life, you could write like this. Appointment as the head girl of the school. Now here is a sample for you. Let's see. Remember I told you what to write on top? Yes. The date. First comes the date, Monday, the date, month, and then the year. That is the date. After that, leave a line. Then write the time. What time are you writing the diary? You must mention that. So here it is 8:30 p.m. After that, you see a little gap here. So leave 1 or 2 lines and then begin. Dear diary. So how should you address your diary? Yes, dear diary. After all, diary is your best friend. You are going to pour in all your inner feelings and thoughts. Then you begin like this. Today was a great day. I am on top of the world and literally beaming with pride. Here is expressing happiness, beaming with pride. So full of pride. Why? Let's have a look at it. I was appointed the head girl of Westlake School today. So here she is appointed you call school captain. Here in your school, what do you say? School captain. Here in this case, head girl. It is the same. So she has been appointed the head girl of her school. That is the reason she is expressing her joy, her happiness here. In the morning assembly, when the principal declared that I was going to be the head girl of the school, I couldn't believe wear a badge so that everybody knows, and of course it is a matter of great pride also. She then gave me a badge which was marked Head Girl. Okay? There was a huge applause. Everybody was applauding, clapping. That is called applause. There was a huge applause from all the students. Students, teachers, all were clapping. All the teachers, my classmates and my friends congratulated me. So, all started congratulating the head girl. This being the 7th year in this school, I have learned many lessons for life. So she has done so many lessons. This was the 7th year in her school. I am feeling so happy that I can't express my joy in words. No, she is speechless. She cannot express her joy. She is so happy. I feel privileged to take up the role as a head girl. So she feels privileged, highly privileged, happy. This feeling is irreplaceable. It cannot be replaced with any other thing in life. The moment is such. My parents are proud of my achievement. Yes, obviously, parents have to be proud of her achievement. I always wished to become the head girl of the school. She always had that desire for becoming the head girl of the school, and finally she has achieved that success. I still remember that whenever I saw my seniors being appointed as the head girl of the school, I imagined myself at that position someday or the other. So when she saw the other girls, other friends, her seniors wearing that badge of head girl, she too had a great desire to become a head girl one day, and finally she has become the head girl of her school. So she has achieved her dream. Today the dream has come true. Why? She has become the head girl, and I am in the 7th heaven. 7th heaven expresses extreme joy, extreme happiness. That is the meaning of 7th heaven. But now that I have become a head girl, I realize that it is a designation which brings great responsibility. Now she has to shoulder so many responsibilities. Why? Because she is the head girl of a school. I am eager to take up these responsibilities, and I will try my best to perform my duties faithfully. So she makes a promise. She says, I will discharge my duties faithfully. Whatever she is told to do, she will do that. My goal is to motivate and support the students in the pursuit of personal experience. So she has decided that she will motivate all the students to move ahead in life, to succeed in life. Students being happier and healthier will result in a more enjoyable school experience. Yes, obviously, if the students are very happy, very healthy, their life would be very comfortable. They will be able to enjoy a healthy atmosphere in school. You have met with an accident on your way to school. You will not be able to take part in the dancing competition which is going to be held in your school. You have been preparing for the dance for so many days. You are filled with grief, very sad. Share your feelings with your diary. So children, let this be your assignment. That is your homework. Once again, I repeat the question for you. You have met with an accident on your way to school. You will not be able to take part in the dancing competition which is going to be held in your school. You had been preparing for the dance for so many days. You are filled with grief. Share your feelings with your diary. So don't forget to do your homework. That's your assignment. Thank you.